Hi, I'm Joseph Rogers, and I'm from Rockville, Maryland.
Timofey, my friends call me Timo. I'm from Arctic tundra in Russia.
Jorge Luis Gamboa. I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
Payson Jones. I'm from San Antonio, Texas.
So we got together for this project. We call it the Breath of the Serpent. It's our expression of and inquiry into evolution of consciousness.
So we came together with this project in mind, and it had been worked on for some time. And it really came out to be something as a group of people coming together to really explore their own personal art in it. Each different piece was brought to the project by each one of us. And so we all have a hand in it, and it's all in our own way of expressing our art and coming together to create that fusion of art.
We all are individual artists in our own respective mediums. It's kind of how we crossed each other's paths.
And with our experiences going to Burning Man events, both in Nevada as well as here in Texas, we wanted to create a beautiful work of art that would be just as home on the playa at Burning Man as here in San Antonio.
And we wanted to bring it to San Antonio. It's our home now. We love it, and we wanted to bring our passion and our inner world and the inner beauty and expression of our beauty into San Antonio and share it with everyone.
And we're looking forward to bringing in our presentation to Luminaria and sharing what we can do for our community, and hopefully inspire some other artists who might have the dreams to build big.
I went to my first Luminaria in around 2012, 2013. It was at Hemisphere Park, and I was just blown away by the lights and the magic of the event. I got a chance to see Kathy Cunningham Little and her glass installations, as well as the Olmec head lit up and digitally mapped. And once I saw the first Luminaria, I knew I wanted to participate as an artist, and it's something I've always aspired to.
I was blessed to actually meet these fellas after they had been working on the Serpent, and was fortunate enough to be able to add my gifts to the actual project. And so I'm inviting you all to come out and see our project Saturday, November 13th at Hemisphere Park. And please drop by, say hello, and enjoy the experience. We'll be having a show every so often so that you'll be able to actually see the full lights and sound of Breath of the Serpent.
And as the participants walk through the body and go into the head of the serpent, there's a 4-foot kaleidoscope that represents the pineal gland that the participants will look through, and that represents the relationship and wisdom of the divine.
Each personal journey also a reflection of the journey of all life. So, and as a coiled serpent creating, within our universe, creating time and space. So we're a representation of the evolution as a whole and evolution of consciousness.
In addition, the embodiment of the snake in the presence of everyone in San Antonio is part of our representation of that conscious existence in the city as it's unfurling, as it's actually coming to life. Sense the breath of the serpent, the breathing of life, and people are a part of that breath as we're there, as the lights and as the projections, as the whole sound. All that comes to embody that experience that we communally share.